Hi everyone, welcome to Cocosenor, and today I will teach how to repair the corrupted Word, Excel, a PowerPoint file with Office Repair Tuner. When you open an Office document and it says there are unreadable content in the Office file, how can you recover the document content? Here, you can learn the guide to get back the original content from the damaged document with Cocosenor Office Repair Tuner. Cocosenor Office Repair Tuner is the 3-in-1 MS Office file repair tool that can get back original content from the damaged docx, XLSL, PPTX files. You can download and install it from cocosenor.com. Now open the software and click the Open button to add the corrupted Office file to repair. Soon, the damaged Word file is recovered. You can click the Save button to save it on your computer. After that, open the file to have a check. That's all. Thanks for watching.